This micro-credential deals with commonly welded metals and consists of 3 targeted skills. This targeted skill addresses aluminum properties. Aluminum is the most widely used metal in the manufacturing process. Aluminum is a non-ferrous metal, meaning that it contains no iron. It has a low density compared to other metals. It is light in weight and very ductile with the ability to be drawn out into thin wire. Because of the way that aluminum is formed, it is very porous. It is because of its porous surface that aluminum is very susceptible to oxidation. When welding aluminum, it is very important to clean off the oxidation layer prior to welding. Cleaning can be done mechanically by a wire brush, grinding, scraping, machining, sandblasting, or filing. Chemical cleaning may be done by using alkalis, solvents, detergents, or acids. It is important to weld on aluminum right after you have cleaned it because the oxide layer can form as quick as 10 minutes after cleaning. Alternating current should be used when welding on aluminum. The alternating current provides medium penetration and great cleaning action. Aluminum has a very high thermal conductivity and disperses heat quickly. It is recommended to preheat aluminum to 300 degrees Fahrenheit when welding on material thicker than 3/8 of an inch. Once the molten weld puddle has solidified, it will shrink approximately 6%, which can cause distortion or cracking of the weld. When gas tungsten arc, GTA welding, the most common electrodes used are 4043 and 5356. 4043 is a general use filler rod. It has a lower melting temperature, which helps with a free-flowing weld puddle. 5356 has higher levels of magnesium and manganese added to the wire. This helps increase the weld ductility, that is, its ability to have its shape change without losing its strength or breaking. Welding aluminum presents special challenges compared to welding steel. In many cases, welding aluminum requires unique filler metal, thorough cleaning, and different welding techniques. Implementing best practices starts with an understanding of the material itself.